Hey everybody, it's Sean with Divine Dents again. I'm back at it. It is a warranty job, and just give you an idea about what we have to do sometimes here. We get warranties that are sold at the purchase of the vehicle, to protect them and for repair of dents and dings. So, and they have other services that they provide, but this one is what I do, and here's a dent we're doing. Please leave any questions in the comments section about warranties, and I'll do my best to get back to you. There's a video that I did a while back, and we talked about scratches and dents and being able to get those done, and here we are again with one of those, and we're going to get it done, but there is a scratch in it, but the owner of the vehicle is okay, and with their warranty company they're okay with it also. So here we are again, and we will show you the final results. Done with that one. Let's move on to the next one. Thanks for watching.